The aim of the simulation is to study the produced work of two forces having the same direction with that of the motion. For this reason, it is shown as an object on a laboratory table on which they are exerted through a spring, two forces F1 and F2 with constant magnitude. Assume that the object moves a distance s. In the help section, the analytical theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter F1 denotes the magnitude of the force F1. The parameter phi1 denotes the angle of the force F1 in relation to axis x. The parameter F2 denotes the magnitude of the force F2. The parameter phi2 denotes the angle of the force F2 in relation to axis x. The parameter s denotes the displacement of the body. The parameter SR, simulation rate, indicates the rate at which the motion simulation progresses. In the results table, the following are shown: the value of the resultant force F of forces F1 and F2, the value of displacement S, the equation and value of the work done by force F1, the equation and value of the work done by force F2, the equation and value of the work done by the resultant force F. We can interrupt the motion. We can hide the results table. We can reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can choose various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, in the questions and exercises section, questions and exercises corresponding to the simulation are proposed. You can solve these equations and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.